Residential window replacement. Anthem AZ is one of the most effective Anthem AZ home improvement window services for improving comfort, value, and efficiency. Homeowners searching for energy-efficient window replacement. Anthem homes often want solutions that perform well in the desert climate, reduce heat gain, and support long-term home window upgrade. Ideas for long-term value. Energy-saving windows for Anthem homeowners can also help reduce bills, improve indoor comfort, and enhance curb appeal with modern window styles for home improvement projects, especially when paired with replacement doors. Anthem upgrades for a complete exterior improvement. Affordable residential window replacement options matter when comparing window replacement estimates in Anthem Arizona, especially for families considering window replacement financing options in Anthem Arizona. Window replacement cost factors for residential properties typically include frame material, glass package, labor, and custom sizing. Many homeowners in Anthem Arizona compare affordable window replacement companies in Anthem, licensed window installers in Anthem AZ, and the best-rated window replacement company Anthem AZ to find the right balance of quality and price. Signs you need residential window replacement services often include drafts, condensation, rising energy bills, and hard-to-operate sashes. Residential window replacement for drafty rooms can quickly improve comfort, while how new windows help reduce energy bills is a major reason homeowners choose home window replacement services. Anthem AZ. For older properties, custom window replacement solutions for older homes can preserve character while improving insulation and performance, and many homeowners also consider replacement doors. Anthem solutions at the same time for a more complete home upgrade. How to choose replacement windows for a home remodel starts with matching the product to architecture, climate, and maintenance goals. How to match replacement windows to home architecture is especially important for custom home windows. Anthem AZ installation and residential replacement windows in Anthem Arizona. Vinyl versus fiberglass windows for home replacement is a common comparison, and best window frame materials for residential use often depend on durability, thermal performance, and appearance. Low-maintenance window options for busy homeowners are ideal for families seeking long-term convenience. Double-pane window replacement benefits for homeowners include better insulation, noise reduction benefits of new replacement windows, and improved comfort in sun-exposed rooms. How window replacement improves home insulation is especially valuable for replacement windows for desert climate homes in Anthem. Homeowners also compare how to compare window glass packages for homes when selecting best energy-efficient window replacement materials for houses and premium residential windows installed in Anthem AZ. Professional window replacement process for homeowners usually begins with an in-home consultation, measurements, product selection, and a clean installation. What to expect during a home window installation depends on project size, but how long residential window replacement takes is often shorter than expected for standard openings. Window replacement for improving curb appeal, best windows for hot climate home energy savings, and installation versus replace windows in a residential home are all key topics for homeowners evaluating residential window replacement options for Anthem homes, including replacement doors. Anthem upgrades for a full exterior transformation. Best window installers near Anthem AZ and window installation specialists near Anthem AZ can provide residential window contractor serving Anthem Arizona expertise, whether the project involves vinyl window replacement. Anthem AZ homeowners trust, double pane window replacement. Anthem AZ, or house window upgrade services. Anthem AZ. For homeowners looking for local residential window replacement near Anthem Arizona, new windows for homes in Anthem AZ, and residential window replacement services, choosing a knowledgeable team ensures strong results for single-family homes and long-term value. If you are comparing replacement windows for desert climate homes in Anthem, the best energy-efficient window replacement materials for houses usually start with vinyl and fiberglass. Both perform well in hot climate home energy savings, but fiberglass often wins for strength and long-term stability, while vinyl is a strong choice for affordable residential window replacement options. For residential window replacement Anthem AZ projects, homeowners often look for low-E glass, insulated frames, and double-pane window replacement. Anthem AZ solutions that help reduce heat gain, improve comfort, and support lower utility costs during peak summer months. One of the clearest signs you need residential window replacement services is recurring drafty rooms, rising energy bills, condensation between panes, or frames that stick, warp, or no longer lock properly. In many Anthem Arizona home window renovation services, these issues indicate the windows are no longer performing as intended. Installation versus replace windows in a residential home depends on age, damage, and efficiency, but when multiple windows show wear, new windows for homes in Anthem AZ can be a better long-term value than repeated installations. How to choose replacement windows for a home remodel often comes down to matching performance, style, and budget. Homeowners searching for residential replacement windows in Anthem Arizona should compare frame materials, glass packages, visible light transfer, U-factors, and solar heat gain coefficients. How to compare window glass packages for homes is especially important in the Sonoran Desert, where energy-saving windows for Anthem homeowners need to balance natural light with thermal control. A professional estimate from window replacement contractors in Anthem Arizona can help narrow the best options. Double-pane window replacement benefits for homeowners go beyond basic comfort. These systems create an insulating airspace that helps reduce outside heat, soften street noise, and stabilize indoor temperatures. For residential window replacement for drafty rooms, double-pane or upgraded glass packages can make a noticeable difference. How window replacement improves home insulation is simple. Better seals, better glazing, and better frame materials work together to reduce air leakage and improve performance in both winter and summer. Vinyl versus fiberglass windows for home replacement is one of the most common comparisons for Anthem AZ home improvement window services. Vinyl window replacement Anthem AZ homeowners often prefer can be highly affordable, low maintenance, and efficient. Fiberglass is usually more rigid and durable, which can be attractive for premium residential windows installed in Anthem AZ. The best window frame materials for residential use depend on your goals, but both are strong contenders for homeowners wanting modern performance and clean aesthetics. How long residential window replacement takes depends on the number of openings, product availability, and whether the project involves custom home windows Anthem AZ installation. A typical professional window replacement process for homeowners begins with measurements, product selection, manufacturing if needed, and then installation. What to expect during a home window installation usually includes removing the old unit, preparing the opening, setting the new window, insulating, sealing, and finishing trim. Licensed window installers in Anthem AZ help keep the process efficient and code compliant. Affordable window replacement companies in Anthem are often asked about window replacement cost factors for residential properties. Pricing can vary based on frame material, glass upgrades, custom sizing, labor complexity, and whether you need replacement windows for older homes or standard sizes for a newer build. Window replacement financing options in Anthem Arizona can make larger projects easier to manage, especially when homeowners want energy-efficient window replacement. Anthem homes can benefit from without delaying improvements. Modern window styles for home improvement projects can dramatically change the look of a property. Window replacement for improving curb appeal is especially effective when paired with styles that complement the home's architecture and exterior color palette. How to match replacement windows to home architecture matters for everything from southwestern homes to traditional desert ranch designs. Home window upgrade ideas for long-term value often include clean-lined frames, larger glass areas, and symmetrical layouts that enhance both aesthetics and marketability. Custom window replacement solutions for older homes are essential when openings are non-standard or original windows have unique proportions. House window upgrade services Anthem AZ often involve custom fabrication to preserve character while improving efficiency. Best windows for hot climate home energy savings should also consider UV protection and glare reduction, which are valuable in Anthem Arizona. Residential window contractor serving Anthem Arizona teams can help blend historical appeal with modern energy performance for lasting results. Noise reduction benefits of new replacement windows are another major advantage for homeowners near busier roads or active neighborhoods. Quality seals, insulated glass, and tighter frame construction can noticeably reduce exterior sound intrusion. Local residential window replacement near Anthem, Arizona is often chosen not just for comfort but also for a quieter indoor environment. When paired with replacement doors Anthem upgrades, homeowners may also improve the overall envelope of the home, creating a more comfortable and cohesive upgrade across key entry points.